All right, so let's say that you want to be able to check whether your emails that you sent out as a bulk action, meaning that you went to contacts and then you went and selected a ton of people from your list of contacts here, to be able to send out a bulk email to. And you want to be able to track whether these people opened the email or not. So what you can do is once you send them out, and you would end up actually going to bulk actions right here at the top, and then you'll click on the name, or what you named that specific bulk action as, and you would highlight over it. So once you highlight over it, you want to go over to the right where it says statistics. Underneath statistics, you'll see a button that says show stats. So you want to click on show stats. All right. And then you'll see this drop down here that will pop up. It should say total, process, accepted, skipped, and failed here. So if we click on any one of these items here, another page will populate for us. All right. So this page actually shows us all of the different statistics for that specific action that you did when you sent those emails out to all of those contacts that you selected at the same time. Okay, so we have our all. This all tab here will give us a list of everyone that email was sent out to, whether it was accepted, it was delivered, who opened it, who clicked it, who replied to it, who unsubscribed to those emails, who complained, whether it bounced, failed, or skipped. All right. So you can also download this information as well too, if you need to revert back to it as well too. So we also see the same information down here at the bottom, and it gives the totals as well too, as well as the percentage based off of the amount of people that it was sent to and that particular field. So to give you the percentage of people that it was sent to, let's say if it was replied to, it'll give a percentage of the people that replied to it versus the amount of people that it was actually sent out to. So that's how you would see that. Let me show you an example of what one actually looks like here. So I'll go to this next one down here, and then we'll do I'll show you an example of what this looks like. So if I click on stats, and then I click on any one of these, if you see all, so it was sent to 3 people. We have the accepted here, delivered. You'll see that some of the statuses are on here as well too. The timestamps are on here as well too. So we have opened, clicked, replied, unsubscribed. So there's our unsubscribed list, complained, and then all of these should be 0 because it's 0 at the bottom. But you should be able to see the difference between of what they actually look like. So that's an explanation of how you can locate your email statistics based off of the bulk email that you sent out.